Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply install Google Password Manager on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. The next thing you want to do is to go to password and autofill, then simply go to password manager. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then next thing you want to do here is to simply scroll down, click on add shortcuts. And this is going to pump up install app. What you need to do is to come down below right here, click on install. Then in a few seconds, allow everything to install on your PC. So would you like to install to pin yes and click on yes? So we can simply minimize and we head over to my desktop right here. Then we have our password manager installed successful on our PC. Then right from here, we can simply track password we have on our Google account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.